Coconut curry quinoa on deck. About to get started. Hey. How many of you guys cook with music? Right here. I gotta jam while I'm cooking, when I'm eating, everything. I'm always jamming. So we got our ingredients. We got our coconut non-dairy milk. We got our quinoa. I usually like the red quinoa, but they didn't have it because of this blasted storm, so I got a white quinoa, but it's okay. We got curry powder. I like the Jamaican one. We have ginger paste. You could use regular ginger as well, but this ginger paste, if you see the ingredients, is just the ginger and oil and salt and lemon juice. So ginger paste, fresh garlic, and add spinach. Then you got carrots, onions, and celery. Yeah? Seed oil, pour it in. That's the base. So I chop up the onion in this little, not the onion, the garlic in this little. And you don't have to be fancy like that. You could do the old-fashioned way and just chop it. But Quinoa Dance gave me this for Christmas. Go ahead and add in the fresh celery, carrots, onions. This is like basically like you're making stuffing, yeah? So add all that. And oh, you got onions, peppers, ginger paste, garlic, carrots, celery. You got regular sea salt, and then you got onion salt, and then I'm gonna put some pepper. How can we forget the curry? So we're gonna put a curry in too. I really wish that I could say put this many tablespoons of this and this many teaspoons of that, but I'm like an all over the place cooker, so I just shake this, stir that, and that's what I do. So try to follow. Okay, so this is the base. We're making the base, and then we're gonna add the coconut milk, and then we'll add the quinoa, and I'm gonna add some spinach to it, and yeah, then you'll just have it cooked like regular rice, but it's quinoa. So now it's time to add the coconut milk. Here we go. Let me pour this in, like so. I use the whole carton. Right, so now you have this mixture here. Yeah, and you could try it to see if it tastes good or not, if you need to add salt. But we're gonna add the quinoa and we're gonna add spinach. Hey. And I just went ahead and added just a little spinach to it. You don't have to do that, but I just added a little spinach to it as well. So yeah, we're just gonna let that cook for a bit. Yes, finished product. Yes, we are finished. Tasty Town quinoa, coconut curry quinoa. Here we go. Yum. It's really good. Very easy, very basic, not a lot of ingredients. Yeah, Tasty Town. I'm not a chef, but I know how to take you to Tasty Town.